Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I am happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today's topic is cooking at home. I like talking about food because everyone eats food every day. Food is an important part of our lives. I enjoy eating delicious meals, but I am still learning how to cook. I can make a few simple things, but I am not a great cook. The best cook in my family is my mother. She enjoys cooking and she always prepares fresh and tasty meals for our family. When I come home, I can often smell the delicious food from the kitchen. It always makes me feel hungry. My mother likes to cook healthy meals. One of my favorite meals is grilled chicken with rice and fresh salad. The chicken is soft and full of flavor. The rice is warm and the salad is fresh and colorful. It is a simple meal, but I really love it. Another meal that I enjoy is grilled beef with potatoes. Sometimes my mother bakes the potatoes in the oven. Sometimes she cooks them with herbs and a little olive oil. They are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They taste wonderful. We also eat soup many times during the week. My favorite is lentil soup. It's warm, healthy, and very popular in many families. When the weather is cold, a bowl of soup makes me feel comfortable. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs. Sometimes I eat boiled eggs, sometimes I make scrambled eggs. I also like cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, and fresh bread. I think this is a healthy and delicious breakfast. My mother also makes fresh fruit juice. Sometimes we drink orange juice. Sometimes we drink fresh limonada. I enjoy both of them. In my family, dinner is a special time. We usually eat together at the table. We talk about our day, laugh together, and enjoy our meal. I think eating together is one of the best parts of the day. On some weekends, we visit my grandparents. My grandmother also loves cooking. She makes delicious rice, grilled meat, fresh vegetables, and homemade bread. I always enjoy eating with my family because the food is made with love. I want to learn more about cooking in the future. Maybe one day I will cook a delicious meal for my family. For now, I am happy to help my mother in the kitchen. Sometimes I wash the vegetables, sometimes I set the table. Even small things can be helpful. Thank you for practicing your English with me today. I hope you enjoyed this listening lesson. Now I have a question for you. What is your favorite homemade meal? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!